Claude Cowork costs $20 a month. I used it as 5 different consultants who would have cost me $4,000. Here's what I actually got, and where it falls short. Claude Cowork is Anthropic's new desktop tool. Think Claude, but it lives on your computer, not in a browser tab. It can read your files, run commands, build documents, even take screenshots. Basically anything you'd ask a competent specialist to do. Over the last month, I used Cowork as a stand-in for 5 specialists I'd normally have to hire. SEO Consultant, Incident Responder, Video Editor, Project Archeologist, Project Manager, 1 subscription, $20 a month. Specialist 1, SEO Consultant. I run an AI tool review blog with about 100 posts. Last month, I needed to update 13 of them. Fix slug conventions, refresh stale content, redo image strategy. Claude Cowork handled all of it in 1 session. 3,500 words rebuilt, 18 internal links, redirect docs, image prompts, all shipped. Then something I didn't expect. Cowork caught its own bad recommendation. The next slug it suggested would have conflicted with an existing URL, so it stopped, verified the file system, and picked a different one. I never told it to do that. A typical SEO consultant runs $400 a month. Cowork? $20. Specialist 2 is up next. And this is the one that genuinely broke me. Specialist 2, Incident Responder. 2 weeks ago, my WordPress site got hacked. Hijacked sitemaps, fake URLs being injected into Google's index, white screen of death. The kind of thing where you call a security consultant for $2,000 and pray. I opened Cowork instead. From a single Google Search Console screenshot, it found 4 problems I'd missed, including that Google hadn't crawled my real sitemap in 8 months. Then it diagnosed my white screen, using just the HTTP response headers. The site was returning success codes, but the pages themselves were empty. Cowork said, and I quote, "Got the smoking gun," traced it to Lightspeed Cache's orphan drop-in file. 2 minutes later, I had a 3-step fix. And when I noticed the homepage and sitemap were both blank, Cowork verified with live HTTP fetches and said 5 words I'm putting on a t-shirt. This is 1 bug, not 3. Specialist 3, Video Editor. The video you're watching right now? Cowork built most of the assets. 13 HTML animations for big number reveals and verdict graphics. 2 SOP documents, 40 pages total. The thumbnail you clicked on, even the script outline. I went from being stuck on a video for 3 weeks to shipping in 3 days. And the same conversation also remembered my channel's brand colors, fonts, and visual language. I never had to re-explain. That's the part that matters more than the speed. Cowork holds context across hours of work the way a senior collaborator does. Typical video editor, $1,500 a video. Cowork, $20. Specialists 4 and 5. Quick montage. Project Archeologist. I pointed Cowork at an unfamiliar Node.js codebase. In 1 session, it found bugs in 3 scripts and caught a typo in the documentation that had been hiding for weeks. Project Manager. When I got stuck staring at a rank math spinner for 10 minutes, Cowork pushed back. 2 words, don't wait. Then it gave me 3 diagnostic branches and reference files we'd built 3 sessions earlier, without me reminding it. 5 specialists, 1 tool, $20. But here's where it gets honest. Claude Cowork is not perfect. It's slower than a human at file operations. Sometimes it misreads what's on screen, and you have to redirect it. It's still a research preview from Anthropic, which means pricing and access can change, and critically, Cowork is good at execution, but it doesn't have taste. You still have to be the one deciding what gets made and whether it's any good. Use it like a competent contractor, not a creative director. So, is Claude Cowork worth $20 a month? My rating? 4 out of 5 stars. The best $20 you can spend on AI assistance in 2026 if you're willing to be specific about what you ask for. 5 specialists, 1 subscription, $3,000 saved last month alone. I'm not going back. Full breakdown of every Cowork session including the hack incident timeline, is at aitoolanalysis.com. Link in description. Use Cowork for something I haven't tried? Drop it in the comments. I'll test the most asked one next. See you in the next build.